Hello, my name is Leoni Laurel. I am Chef Leoni, and I'm very passionate to help people to cook better, live better, and have a good living. And so today, I'm so thankful because I am now 86 years old, and I'll be 87 in September 8th, 2024. And by God's help, I am healthy and I'm happy. And so I want to share to everyone a good living, a good healthy cooking, and that is my passion. And so I was born in the Philippines, and I was early exposed to American missionaries who taught me to be a vegetarian. And so it was very hard for me because I'm thinking, no, I want to eat my fish, I want to eat my meat. But by God's help, He helped me. And so my journey went on. And one day I came to the United States in 1973, and I met a man who is also vegetarian for 2 years before I met him. So my journey continued. I'm very happy. And so today, my 2 adult children are in the same journey because I raised them to be vegetarian. And my son is Rodney Laurel, and my daughter is Melissa Laurel Alexander. Maybe some of you know them because they have been here before. And so I'm just thankful that we can share you 2 recipes right now. I'm going to make a cake, and that cake is going to be baked not in the oven, but in the stove, okay? And then I'm going to share you how to make a lasagna, and it's really easy, and we are going to cook it not in the oven, but in the electric skillet, okay? So now we're going to begin. And this is the pan that we are going to use for making the cake. All right. So we're going to put this cake, and we're not going to use oil nor water. And you will just see how we make it healthy for you, okay? So we're going to put this grinder here, and we're going to put the cake mix. 2 cups of cake mix, and then we just put some ingredients to it. We're not going to put oil, we're just going to put some zucchini. Did you know that zucchini is good for your eyes, and it has lots of nutrients in it? We just put half of the zucchini, and then we will put half of the carrots, and it's easy and fast, okay? Because I have this machine. And at the end of the show, if you want to know how you can get this free, you can get this free. All right. And that's all there is to it. And then we are going to put a little bit of sweetener, okay? And that is apple. Put a little apple, but maybe half an apple. Or, all right. That's the apple. And then I'm going to remove that and put 2 eggs. Now remember, we're not putting any oil, because if you put oil and you just pour the oil all the time in your sink, what's going to happen to your tubing? It's going to get clogged, right? And so the same thing in our arteries. So we just put 2 eggs, and then we're going to mix it. And my daughter is going to mix it. Thank you. And while she's mixing it, I'm just going to put something here in this pan. Again, we're not putting any oil. And we're going to put it here because this is going to be a apple upside down cake, right? I will put this here, and we'll get the same apple here. And we're just going to put that apple underneath it to create some moisture, because when you cook with oil or with water, you know what's going to happen is your food, yeah, you can taste it, but when you cook without oil or without water, you can taste more your food, really good food. All right, we're going to put this just right here so create some moisture so we can cook the cake. And cook the cake right here. Now the apple is very important because the apple, you know what the apple does for you? You can, you know that there is a saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's so true because the apples are full of nutrients. It's just packed with nutrients, and it can detox your liver, your body, and also can make you sharp, your mind sharp. Okay, so here is the cake mix, and again we didn't put any oil in it. Thank you. And so we just even it up like this. Oh, we just want to kind of make sure that everything is there. Thank you. And now we're going to put the cover, and my daughter is going to put it on low. You know why? Because when we cook on high, the most important is preserving the nutrients of our food. When we cook on high, the nutrients are gone. In our cooking, it preserves 93% of your nutrients in your vegetables. Now we're going to go to cook our lasagna. All right, the lasagna is easy. First, we are going to put the sauce underneath, and you will have the recipe because I have the recipe for you. And you just even that up. And we don't have to, normally what we do is we boil the lasagna noodles. We don't have to do that. We'll just put it there. And then we just made sure that it's continued there. And then I put some tofu. This is like substitute for meat. I just mash the tofu, put some seasoning to it, and we just put it on top there. Just like ricotta cheese, you're right. And then we just put it there. And then we grind some vegetables. Okay. Straight. This is the one. All right. We put some mushroom. And what we do is we just cut the mushroom over here and push it, and it comes out perfect. All right, we can also do it here. And this machine is very versatile. And I believe no kitchen is complete without this machine. So fast and easy, right? All right. Then we have it just there. And we also make some zucchini. Did you know that zucchini is really awesome? And mushroom is cancer prevention. Zucchini is a very, very important vitamins and minerals you get. And you also get the squash. And then, of course, your carrots has beta-carotene that's good for your eyes. And so you do this, and then we layer it, all right? So after that, we just put it this way. Yeah, we can also do the cabbage. And you know you have the recipe for how much, but it's very versatile. You can put more or less, and it's up to you how much lasagna noodles you're going to put, and just like that. Easy and fast. All right. So then we layer again, right? We probably should make 2 layers or 3, depending on how much you want to make. All right. So we put that again, and we layer the sauce, and then we even it up a little bit so that this thing can be cooked because, again, we didn't boil the lasagna noodles. So it's fast and easy. And if you have to go to work, let's say you want to have lasagna when you come back, you can make a timer because this one has a probe by which you can time it and stop. And when you come home, you have some food. All right? Now let's finish the mushroom here. And then we get the... Did you know that cabbage it stops the growth of cancer? It's very important to eat cabbage. I really eat cabbage almost every day. You can cook it, you can eat it in your salad, and it's very versatile. And then we can put the squash. We can even do like that. And then we can put more zucchini, and carrots. There you go. Now that's another layer. So we layer it like this, and then we press it, and then we put another layer. It's going this way. And then we put more of the sauce, like this. Yeah. And just make sure that the lasagna is, oh, I'm sorry. There are two of these here. We don't need two. Sorry, put two. All right. Just cooking can be fun, right? Really fun. And it's good because you know what you put in your food and you know that you want the best for your body, right? And so then you just put another tofu right there. We're not putting any water. It's just all the moisture of those are going to come to your food. And then we just put some more cabbage. Well, I do cooking all the time because I love to teach cooking. So I was cooking in one home one day, and the boy said, "Mommy, I'm not going to eat that. Look at what she's putting, all kinds of vegetables, even to the cake and all that." And the mother says, "Well, son, we just have to be nice because she came here to cook for us, so maybe you can taste it." And he said, "I don't know if I can want it." But then at the end, he was very thankful that he tasted it and he loved it. The following day, he said, "Where is that?" Now, spinach is so important, because green is so important in our body. We are told that to eat green almost every day. And then, of course, we put the cheese, and this cheese is a vegan cheese, okay? Because I am a vegetarian vegan, but you can taste it and see if you like it. Okay, now we'll finish this sauce. Put them all there. And put them all there before we put it and plug it. And then we will pause for a minute, and then you will see the finished product. All right. Just want to make sure that this lip is clean because it's going to vacuum. So we clean this a little bit. So we are going to put this on top, and then we have a probe. This probe you can program so that it can stop whenever you want it to stop. So we'll program it for 30 minutes or less, and it's going to be done. So when we come back, we'll show you the finished product, and we will taste it for you, but it tastes good. All right. Hi, we're back here to you to show you our cake. All right. This is the cake. It's done. And this is the apple upside down cake. So what we're going to do is show you how it cooked. how to, we'll invert it. And now the cake is done. All right? That's how the cake comes out. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now we're going to cut it. No, we're just going to cut it and you taste it, right?
Oh, we're going to taste it.
All right. Gonna cut it. And we are going to taste it. How does it look like?
All right. Taste it.
It's moist and tastes good. Again, that's a healthy cake. All right. Now we're going to see the lasagna, how it came out. Let's open it. It's there. Now you can see that it's so pretty. And we're going to cut a little bit so that we can taste it. All right. There you go. Here it is. Our lasagna is done.
Cheers.
Did you know you can also freeze this and you can heat it and still the same? All right. Thank you for watching. See you next time.